Good morning students. Hope you are all well. The last class we discussed some questions of the topic arithmetic progression. Today we can discuss some lengthy questions. See the same exercise, question number 12. The ratio of the sums of m and n terms of an AP is m square is to n square. Show that the ratio of m and nth term is 2m minus 1 is to 2n minus 1. Okay, say Sm is to Sn. The ratio between the sum of m terms and sum of n terms is given m square is to n square. The ratio means division. Sm by Sn is given m square by n square. You know the formula of Sm. What is Sm? M by 2. Sn is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. And similarly Sm we can write m by 2 into 2a plus m minus 1 into d. Then what is Sn? N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. That is given m square by n square. Okay. And here the common denominator 2 we can cancel. And from the left side and right side 1m and 1n we can cancel. Is it okay? Then cross multiplying n into 2a plus m minus 1 into d equal to m into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. By changing the bracket, 2an plus n into m minus 1 into d equal to 2am plus m into n minus 1 into d. Okay, that is 2an. Then here again we can change the bracket, n m d minus n d. Okay. Then right side 2am plus m n d. Here sign negative, m into 1, m into d. Okay. From left side and right side the common factor m and d cancelled. Okay. We can transpose 2am to the left side and minus nd to the left side. That is 2an minus 2am equal to nd minus md. That is 2a, taking the common factor 2a outside, 2a into n minus m equal to, from the right side we can take d, the common factor outside, d into n minus m. Then we can cancel n minus m from both sides, then we will get 2a equal to d, or a is equal to d by 2. Got it? The relation between the first term and the common difference is a is equal to half of the common difference, or common difference equal to twice of the first term. Okay. Then what you have to determine? The ratio between mth and nth term. What is mth term of an AP? Mth term is am. Am is to an. That is, we need am by an. What is the formula for am? A plus m minus 1 into d. And an, a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. We can substitute the value for d. What is d? D equal to 2a. That is a plus m minus 1 into 2a divided by a plus n minus 1 into 2a. Okay, from both the term and from both the numerator and denominator, we can take a as common factor outside. A into 1 plus m minus 1 into 2 divided by a into 1 plus n minus 1 into 2. Okay, a cancelled. 1 plus, okay, we can change this bracket, 2m minus 2. Here 2n minus 2. Okay, then what is 1 minus 2? 1 minus 2 minus 1. Here also 1 minus 2 minus 1. Then what become? Yes, 1 minus 2 minus 1. Then 2m minus 1 by 2n minus 1. Or the ratio is 2m minus 1 is to 2n minus 1. Is it okay? This is a lengthy question, but it is simple. The next one, question number 15. In between question number 13 we have done and 14 was homework. Okay, you please send the homework. Then question number 15, if a raised to n plus b raised to n whole divided by a raised to n minus 1 plus b raised to n minus 1 is the arithmetic mean between a and b, find the value of n. See, here the arithmetic mean between a and b is given. But we know what is the arithmetic mean between a and b? Yes, a plus b by 2. But in question it is given the arithmetic mean between a and b is a raised to n plus b raised to n divided by a raised to n minus 1 plus b raised to n minus 1. Okay, that means these two values are same, both are arithmetic mean. Okay, we can equate the arithmetic mean value. A plus b by 2 equal to a raised to n plus b raised to n divided by a raised to n minus 1 plus b raised to n minus 1. Is it okay? Yes. Then a plus b cross multiply. A plus b into a raised to n minus 1 plus b raised to n minus 1 equal to 2 into a raised to n plus b raised to n. Okay, then change in the bracket. Okay, we have to multiply. A into a raised to n minus 1 plus a into b raised to n minus 1 plus b into a raised to n minus 1 plus b into b raised to n minus 1 equal to 2 into a raised to n plus 2 into b raised to n. Is it okay? Then we can simplify the term. What is a into a raised to n minus 1? A raised to m into a raised to n equal to a raised to m plus n. You remember? A into a raised to n minus 1. A means a raised to 1. A raised to 1 into a raised to n minus 1 is a raised to 1 plus n minus 1. 1 minus 1 cancelled. A raised to n. Okay. And here we cannot simplify. They are not like terms. Here also. And b into b raised to n minus 1 we can simplify. That is b raised to 1 plus n minus 1. That is b raised to n. Then here 2a raised to n plus 2b raised to n. Okay. And from the left side and right side, 1 a raised to n and 1 b raised to n we can cancel it. Okay. The remaining a into b raised to n minus 1 plus b into a raised to n minus 1 equal to a raised to n plus b raised to n. Okay. We can transpose the similar term or we can group the similar term together. Transposing a raised to n to the left side and a into b raised to n minus 1 to the right side. And here b a raised to n minus 1 minus a raised to n equal to b raised to n minus a b raised to n minus 1. Okay, and here we can take the common factor outside, which is common. See, in between a square a cube, which is common, a square. A cube a raised to 10, which is common, a cube. How will you get the common term? Is the number with least power is common. Which is the least power? N minus 1. We take a raised to n minus 1 as common, remaining b minus a. And here b raised to n minus 1 common, remaining b minus a. We can cancel b minus a from both sides. The remaining a raised to n minus 1 equal to b raised to n minus 1 or a raised to n minus 1 divided by b raised to n minus 1 equal to 1. Or we can write a by b whole raised to n minus 1 equal to 1. Or we can write 1 in terms of a by b. Any number we can write the number raised to 0. A raised to 0, 1. X raised to 0, 1. Similarly, 1 we can write a by b whole raised to 0. Okay, for equating the base. By exponential law, if the base are same, we can equate their power. Okay, which implies n minus 1 equal to 0 or we will get n equal to 1. Okay, and these are lengthy questions. You watch this video 2 or 3 times. Okay, and ask your doubt. If you have no doubt, you can write it yourself. Question number 16. Between 1 and 31, m numbers have been inserted in such a way that the resulting sequence is NAP and the ratio of 7th and m minus 1th numbers is 5:9. Find the value of m. Okay, yeah, see, very simple question. Okay, but it is little bit confusing. In between 1 and 31, we are inserting m numbers. Okay, in between 1 and 31, we are inserting m numbers. See, the numbers a1, a2, a3 up to am. We inserted m numbers. Okay, then can you say total how many terms are there? We inserted m numbers including 1 and 31. How many numbers are there? Yes, m plus 2 terms, that is total number of terms m plus 2, and we know the first term is 1 and the last term, that is m plus 2th term, is 31. Okay, first term 1, last term means am plus 2 equal to 31. How will you write am plus 2? What is an? A plus n minus 1 into d. What is am plus 2? A plus m plus 2 minus 1, that is m plus 1. A plus m plus 1 into d, 31. What is a? 1. We can substitute 1 plus m plus 1 into d, 31, or m plus 1 into d is 31 minus 1, 30, or d is equal to 30 by m plus 1. Is it okay? Is it okay, the first condition? Then one more condition is given, that is the ratio between, okay, you know the condition? Okay, the ratio between 7th and m minus 1th numbers. It is not given 7th and m minus 1th term. Okay, 7th and m minus 1th numbers. Okay, that is the numbers we have inserted a1, a2, a3 up to an. Okay, the first number A1 is not the first term. Is it okay? A1 is the second term of the AP. Our first number is A1, but it is not the first term, second term. A2, okay, the second number will be the third term. And A3, the third number will be is the fourth term. And here the seventh term. Here given the condition, the ratio between seventh and m minus 1th numbers, not the term. Okay, and the seventh number will be the eighth term and a minus 1th number will be the mth term. And the given condition is a7 by am minus 1, the numbers, that is the 8th and mth term of this AP, th by tm is equal to 5 by 9. What is the formula 8th term? A plus 7d. What is the formula mth term? A plus m minus 1 into d, that is given 5 by 9. Okay, we can substitute the value for d. What is d? 30 by m plus 1. That is 1 plus 7 into d, 30 by m plus 1, whole divided by 1 plus m minus 1 into d, 30 by m plus 1 equal to 5 by 9. Okay, cross multiply m plus 1 plus 7 into 30 to 10. Whole by m plus 1 divided by, here also cross multiplying m plus 1 plus 30 into m minus 1 whole by m plus 1 equal to 5 by 9. We can cancel the common denominator. Okay, then by simplifying m plus 211 whole divided by, here m plus 1, here 30m minus 30, that is 30m plus m, 31m, 1 minus 30 minus 29 equal to 5 by 9. Is it okay? Then cross multiplying 9 into m plus 211 equal to 5 into 31 m minus 29. By changing the bracket, 9m, 9 into 211, 1899. Then 5 into 31, 155m minus 29 into 5, 145. Okay. Then transposing m term and constant term. Then here 1899 plus 145 equal to 155m minus 9m. That is 2044 equal to 146m, or m equal to 2044 by 166, that is 40. Okay, and here you note the condition, we are inserting m numbers, but the first number is not the first term, that is the second term of the AP, and the second number will be the third term. Okay, similarly the seventh number is not the seventh term, that is the eighth term of the AP. That is the confusion here. Okay, you don't copy down all the questions from the video. You watch the video very clearly and write the question yourself. Okay, thank you.